Welcome back my dear friends, this is Engineer Arif.
I have designed this new series of SolidWorks video tutorial for my beginners friends.
This is the part, which we gonna design today using SolidWorks 2018. Oh yes, just do me a little support, subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of new releases.
This is the part which we gonna design today for you friends. This is the exercise number 26. This is also a very interesting tutorial. We will use only one sketch, and one revolve command for completing this part. We will use SolidWorks 2018 for designing this part. This exercise video tutorial will help newbies for their regular practice. Hope you will enjoy this CAD tutorial video. If so, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon.
Let's start. Click on the new part.
Go to Apply Scene and select Plain White. Go to Material, right-click, and select Edit Material. Then choose your desired material. Left-click on Front Plane and choose Sketch. Take Center Line command and draw lines like this. Height is 36 mm.
Now select Smart Dimension. Now take the line command.
Select these entities. Make equal. Make them horizontal.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Height is 12 mm. Height is 8 mm. Height is 12 mm. Height is 3 mm. Diameter is 24 mm.
Press OK.
Hold on Control button and select these lines, and choose collinear relations. Hold on Control button and select these lines, and choose collinear relations.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Diameter is 32 millimeters. Diameter is 44 millimeters.
Press OK.
Hide sketch relations. Hide sketch dimensions. View sketch dimensions. Take chamfer command. Chamfer dimension is 2 mm x 45 degree.
Press OK.
Go to Features menu and select Revolve command.
Press OK. Congratulations! This is the part which we are trying to build.
Press space button of your keyboard and select isometric view. Let's do motion study. Make this speed 3x. Select animation wizard. Select rotate mode and click next. Select y-axis of rotation and click next. Change this duration to 30 seconds and click finish. Now select play from start. If you enjoy the SolidWorks video tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon for staying connected with us.